Recording.
Alright, my unboxing's here. Let's get it open from LaxSteels.com. Look at how sick this is. Look at this shaft. So nice. Love the handle on it. Gate Recon. Let's get it. Alright. And then balls, 6 shell balls. I had another one of these. Yep, get the head out. Got the Reebok. Yeah, I'm buying new mesh and stuff for this. Probably gonna go get some later. Yep. Oh, it's really nice. What is it? Nice. Gotta restring that. Got the Gate Recon. Really nice. Got all this stuff for $60 with shipping. Yep, so really nice. Go check out LaxSteels.com. One post a day. Really good steals. Alright, see ya.